Sunday 25th of June. That is the end of this is the start of a new week, but for some reasons this end of week video is coming in later. I apologize for that. So next week videos, which will be the first video of this week, or let me not say this week, yes, because it's Sunday already. So the video for this week analysis, I'll drop it on Monday morning, but let's quickly just dive in to see what happened last week. So as usual, this video will be on the 4 pairs, which are GU, EU, gold and silver. But I actually took some trades on UJ, EJ, GJ as of last week, but I won't be doing analysis on them. But with time, I would start doing some things on that. I'm trying to make sure these videos are not long. So let's start with GU and see what happened on GU. So as of last week, we did not take any trade on GU. There was no trade taken on GU. GU did not give us anything at all. But this was what happened last week on GU. So last week we had this sell confirmation here from the weekly time frame. Then we moved over to the daily time frame to take a trade, but then price came in. So on Monday there was a huge gap on Monday morning, so price came in this way and then went back up. So I was trying to look for an entry on this level here, but then price did not give me anything. Price didn't give me anything, so there was nothing for me to trade here. And then price finally took this high, which then told me, okay, we are looking for buys now. So the next day waited for a buy from this level, so on the 4 hours waited for a buy with this as our inducement, and this as our entry, but price did not come down to this level. So we missed this after setting our entry, and then we waited for price to come and take this level. Price just came in and it disappeared. So that was a miss on GU. And after price did that, price invalidated our bearish bias by taking this high right here. So when price took this high, and I know that I'm no longer bearish, so looking into the new week, I'm going to be bullish. So in the next video I'm going to be talking about where I'm looking forward to taking trades and stuff like that. So let's move over to EU. So on EU last week we had a sell. We are already on from this level. And then we have another sell on this level. So we had these two levels where we are looking for price to give us something. We had these two levels. So then we waited for price to do what it's gonna do, because we don't control price and we just let price do its thing. So this is what happened. This sell we took from here, and with our target on this level, price did not get to our target, which was crazy. After giving us over, let's check this, I think we had like over 5 hour on this, and our target did not hit. It's wide, man, so crazy. This is actually 8 hour trade, 8 hour, and price did over 6 hour, close to 7. We actually even tapped 7 hours. Crazy. And I did not close this thing. I did not close it at all, waiting for this target, and price just reversed. And then we had another level here, which I tried to re-enter. They say sometimes you are expecting price to, you're expecting a retracement, but that retracement you are seeing is actually a change in trend, and that was what happened here last week. So I was thinking this is a retracement, they will enter again, and then boom, we lost another one. So 2 losses on EU. And then we had this level here too, we're actually waiting for, and then price did this thing. It gave us a good push downwards. We took that trade from this level, from here. I actually missed this, so I did not take this, but I still recorded it as a loss, because if I wasn't busy at that moment, I would have surely have taken this. And price did over 6 hour, and then price reversed. So this is a message to us, like it's a message that EU is telling us, oh, see, I'm not selling right now, I want to go bullish. So all we have to do is just record, or I would say listen to what EU is telling us. Okay, I want to go bullish. Okay, sir, we're going to follow you bullish. So we're not going to force any bearish movement, try to sell or try to run any bullish move just like that. Listen to price, change direction with price, and then stay patiently waiting for where price is going to come back to, and we just follow the trend. It's what it is. So last week was like, I had like one of the biggest loss of the month. Like, it was crazy. On this EU alone, 3 losses. I have not had this since this month. Just 1 week, I trade 3 losses. We even had more. I think we had more on USD JPY, where we had some crazy moves. We are trying to buy, and price just gave us a message that I want to change trend, and then boom, it changed trend. So all we have to do going to this new week now is to listen to what price said from last week and make sure we are on the right move according to what price tells us. There's still no guarantee, but we have to show up. So that is for EU. For gold, I did not take any trade on gold for the past 2 weeks now. I have not seen anything on gold. Gold has just been buying aggressively. It's just moving aggressively. I actually had this level, but while waiting for price to give me a confirmation to take a buy, Monday just capped and that was it. Nothing from gold this week. Nothing at all. But I had a buy I have been holding from here, so I just closed that buy with 80 hour. I closed it on Friday. So that was all on gold for last week. It was a buy I had from this. I took this buy. That was around December. Took that buy around December. I think from this area, yes, from this level right here. I took that buy and I held it up to 5k. I closed it on Friday, and right now I'm seeing that gold is at 5,080. It's so crazy. 5,030. It's so crazy. I just anyways, whenever you take profit, you don't look back. Take profit and face forward, look into the future, not thinking about the past. So that's for good. And for silver, I actually took a loss on silver last week. I was trying to sell. Price gave me a sell entry. I don't know why price just did that. Give me a sell entry and I decided to take it. So this was why I took this trade on silver last week. So the reason why I took it, I did not just take it for trying to catch the top. So persons do that shit. They're just trying to catch the top, say they want to catch the top. It's crazy. But people do it profitably. So on the daily time frame, I tried to buy from this level. I was waiting to buy from this level, then price then fumbled it and came down to this level. So that signal gave me that it wasn't interested in going higher. Then it actually gave me a sell enter in daily time frame, which is according to how I trade. Most of you might not understand this. So after price gave me this is it. Taking this low was a confirmation for me. So all I have to do is wait for price to print something bullish. So after price took this, it did not print something bullish. Instead, it printed something bearish. And then after printing something bearish, it then gave me a sell confirmation, a sell entry. So I took this as a break of structure and then use this as an inducement, and boom. Looking at this, it looks so stupid. I'm not gonna lie, it looks so stupid. Like, why am I trying to sell from this? Can't I see bullish movement? It looks so stupid, but I've been doing this for more than 6 months now. Price will print this and it's gonna sell. Sometimes it's not gonna sell. It depends on what price does. It looks so stupid to me though, but it's my system, so I just have to obey it. If it had gone right, it would have looked so beautiful. But it just happened. So that's for silver. And I have so many other pairs I'm actually watching on my watch list, but for this video, that's all for GU, EU, gold and silver. So I'm gonna stop here. I hope you guys had a profitable week last week. My week ended in break even on my personal account, but on my prop ended in loss. Well, let's see what happens this new week. So I wish you guys a good weekend. I'll be dropping a new video tomorrow morning on my weekly analysis going into the new week. I might do the video now, but I won't drop it right now because I have to drop this one. So that's all, and I hope you have a nice day. Good luck, guys.